Okay, hello everyone. We'll be starting with exercise 3B. I won't be going for all the questions. I will solve some questions and I'll give some homework. So stick to that much questions only today, because in exercise 3B there are questions, some questions those are based on cell proceed also. So we are not going for that questions today. Okay? So first question, you have to sit along with your textbook also. If you read the question carefully, so the given things will be the number of shares are given 75, the nominal value is given rupees 100, the dividend percent is given 9%, and the profit percent is 12. And they're asking you at what price did he buy the shares. But so when it comes like this, at what price did he buy, that means they're expecting what? Market value. So I have dividend percent, I have nominal value, I have profit percent. That means in order to calculate market value, can I go for this mathematical expression? Yes, I can. So dividend percent on NV is equal to profit percent on MV. After putting proper values and calculating, my market value is what? रुपीज 75. बच्चों आप लॉजिकली सोचो, मार्केट वैल्यू क्या है? 70, नॉमिनल वैल्यू क्या है? 100. मतलब जब भी कभी मार्केट वैल्यू नॉमिनल वैल्यू से कम होती है तो आपका प्रॉफिट जनरली ज्यादा होता है. ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा रहेगा. क्यों ज्यादा रहेगा? क्योंकि आपको कंपनी 100 पे क्या दे रही है? 100 पे आपको डिविडेंड दे रही है, लेकिन आपने परचेस कितने में किया था? 75 रुपीज में. सो इन दैट केस आपको चांसेस ज्यादा है प्रॉफिट होने के. ठीक है. आई गो फॉर वन मोर एग्जांपल, दैट इज एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Again in that question it's given that the nominal value is rupees 100 and that share is purchased at rupees 20 premium. So 100 plus 100 क्या है? Nominal value. उसमें ऐड किया जाएगा ना. This you all know now. 100 plus 20 is equal to what? 120. So market value will be 120. Now they are expecting dividend percent. What they are expecting? Dividend percent. Profit percent is given. Again I have four values: nominal value, market value, dividend percent and profit percent. So again I'll go for this formula, isn't it? After calculating my dividend percent is 18%. So the same formula we are going ahead, nothing else. I'll go for next question. Question number 5. ये थोड़ा tricky question है, that's why I have taken this question. In that question number 5, it's mentioned that the dividend percent is 8% and the income is given which is 2840. ठीक है. And the question is find the nominal value of his shares. Again I'm repeating the question. The question says find the nominal value of his shares. So I have income is given, dividend percent is given. So for sure I'll go for what? Income wala formula. So income is equal to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. You all know this formula now. So income again as it is, just dividend percent I have taken over here. So बच्चों number of shares into nominal value. See I have circled it. Number of shares into nominal value is nothing but what? Nominal value of his shares. नहीं समझे? ये क्या है? नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स. ये क्या है? नॉमिनल वैल्यू. मान लो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स 100 है, ठीक है, और नॉमिनल वैल्यू रुपीज 5 है, तो 100 into 5 क्या हो गया? 500. सो व्हाट इज 500? 500 is the nominal value of his shares and that what they are asking. What is the question? The question is nominal value of his shares. बच्चों को लगता है कि ये एक ही टर्म है. एक्चुअली ये एक ही टर्म है, बट इट्स मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? 2. That is number of shares into nominal value. So I'll just put the values. Income की वैल्यू मैंने पुट कर दी, डिविडेंड परसेंट मैंने पुट अप कर दिया, and so I got the nominal value of his shares. ये 100 इधर जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हुआ और 8 डिवाइड हुआ. You can see. So what is my nominal value of the shares? 35,500. I hope so ये clear हुआ. Then I'll go for next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is all about investment is given in that question. Again I'm repeating, you have to read the question carefully. ठीक है, और आपको find out करना पड़ेगा कि what is given to me. Investment is 11,200. Dividend percent is given 6%. Nominal value is rupees 100 and the market value is given which is 140. So it's at premium, rupees 40 premium पे मिल रहा है. तो first question is annual income. Annual income में number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value again. But the fact is we don't have number of shares here. But we know number of shares calculate करने का और एक expression mathematical, that is investment upon market value into dividend percent as it is, nominal value as it is. After putting all the proper values, my answer is 480. So what is my income? 480. Now the second question is they are asking you his percentage return on his investment. His percentage return on his investment. But don't you think they are expecting profit percent? When the statement is like this, his percentage return, what is the percentage he got on his investment? That means they are expecting what? Profit percent. Now here there are two possibilities that we can calculate the profit percent. Method 1 is profit percent can be calculated with the help of formula profit percent. Profit upon investment into 100. आपको profit याद है उसका 480 निकला था और investment 11,200 था, we all know that, into what 100. So वो calculate करने के बाद आता है 4.285. So I'll round it off up to 2 decimal places, which is very important as far as grade 10 ICSE maths is concerned. So it will be 4.29%. Or you can go for this formula also. Dividend percent on NV is equal to profit percent on MV. After putting the proper values, the answer is again same. P is equal to 4.285. That is profit percent is equal to 4.29. I hope so आपको ये question clear हुआ. ठीक है. I'll go for last question from my side, which is always asked in the examination, that which is the better investment, ठीक है. Now this is the question. I have not taken it from textbook, it's from my side, ठीक है, but I have given you homework to solve this kind of question. Which is the better investment? There are two things they have given us, two cases they have given us. First case, आपको एक कंपनी है जो 12% डिविडेंड दे रही है, 12% ₹100 शेयर्स एट 120. आपको स्टेटमेंट समझना पड़ेगा. 12% ₹100 शेयर्स एट 120. एट आ गया मतलब ये मार्केट वैल्यू है और ये नॉमिनल वैल्यू है और ये डिविडेंड परसेंट है. सिंपल है. आई गॉट द डिविडेंड परसेंट, आई गॉट द नॉमिनल वैल्यू, आई हैव अ मार्केट वैल्यू. ये अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट है. और 8% ऑफ ₹100 शेयर्स एट 90 रुपीज है ना. वो शेयर कितने में मिल रहा है? 90 में. लेकिन नॉमिनल वैल्यू क्या है? 100. लेकिन वहां पे डिविडेंड परसेंट क्या है? 8. सो अमॉन्ग दिस टू विच इज द बेटर इन्वेस्टमेंट? सिंपल है. आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट बेटर है या नहीं कैसे पता चलेगा? जो कंपनी आपको ज्यादा प्रॉफिट देगी. सो आई विल गो फॉर केस 1 एंड केस 2. तो केस 1 में जो मुझे दिया था दैट आई विल राइट. केस 2 में डिविडेंड परसेंट क्या था? 12% था. नॉमिनल वैल्यू क्या थी? 100 थी. मार्केट वैल्यू क्या थी? 120. आई विल कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट परसेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच फॉर्मूला? Dividend percent on NV is equal to profit percent on MV, which comes 10%. And here case 2 में डिविडेंड परसेंट कितना था? 8%. देखो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. नॉमिनल वैल्यू क्या होती है? 100. अगर नॉमिनल वैल्यू नहीं दी है उस क्वेश्चन में तो यू कैन टेक द नॉमिनल वैल्यू 100, क्योंकि दोनों साइड वो सेम ही लेनी पड़ेगी. मार्केट वैल्यू कितनी है? ₹90. ठीक है. सो अगेन वी विल कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट परसेंट ओवर हियर. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस प्रॉफिट परसेंट इज 8.9%. तो ये 10% आया और 8.9% आया. सो टेल मी विच इज द बेटर इन्वेस्टमेंट? फॉर श्योर केस 1 इज द बेटर investment. Case 1 is the better investment. See, by looking at the question you can't predict कि which is better investment, क्योंकि ये कंपनी डिविडेंड 12% दे रही है लेकिन शेयर महंगा बेच रही है. आप समझ रहे हो? ये कंपनी डिविडेंड कम दे रही है, 8% ही दे रही है, लेकिन शेयर कंपेरेटिवली ज्यादा कॉस्टली नहीं है. तो जब शेयर कॉस्टली नहीं होता है तो प्रॉफिट परसेंट बढ़ने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते थे आप यहाँ पे, इसलिए हमें ये सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट to write the last statement, which is the better investment, case 1 या case 2. I hope so बच्चों it's very clear with you this formula. I'll give some questions to solve. Please do solve and send it to us. Thank you very much for the day.